My name is Neil Verperth. I'm the founder and CEO of Energybank Incorporated, a manufacturing company based in Manitowoc, Wisconsin. We manufacture high-performance LED, IoT controls, and renewable energy products. We manufacture products that are super efficient. We can take, compared to our competitors, we can take the least amount of input energy and produce the most light. The biggest innovation I think I've had in my career is what we call fusion, where we're taking photovoltaic solar energy, feeding it right into the LED lighting and making an integrated system that allows us to provide solar energy for less money than any other traditional solar system or even the electric grid itself. So we're bringing to the market a solution that allows us to preserve our natural resources and for future generations, clean air, clean water, but doing it in such a way that it's good business. It's not a matter of if everybody's going to go to LED, it's just when. And now you couple that with IoT, which is the Internet of Things, and renewable energy. That's what we bundle together with fusion. It's a revolutionary change, not no longer an evolutionary, but revolutionary.